Hello people, my name is Sebastian Rifo. Today recipe will be spaghetti bolognese. The ingredients for recipe as are follows: onions brunoise cut, celery brunoise cut, cherry carrots, ground beef, salt, pepper, oil, 2 tomato sauce sachet, and 1 spaghetti packet. First, start deep frying all ingredients brunoise cut, onions, celery, cherry carrots, and ground beef, using a little bit of oil for 10 minutes. Second, once the 10 minutes have passed, add ground beef, salt and pepper. Let everything cook together for additional 5 minutes. Third, add tomato sauce and cup of boiling water and let it cook for 20 more minutes. Fourth, double check the amount of salt, add for better taste, and finish cooking time. Fifth, in another cooking pot, add 1 liter of boiling water, spaghetti, salt, and oil, and let it cook for 7 minutes. Six, drain the pasta. Serve pasta hot together with the sauce. Thank you very much. Goodbye. To enjoy.